Chapter 28. Care, Repair, and Closet Systems, make clothes last and stay visible. Your wardrobe can't perform if it's shrinking, pilling, staining, losing shape, or disappearing into a black hole closet. In 2026, looking expensive is often less about buying new and more about keeping what you own looking crisp, clean hems, smooth knits, collars that sit right, shoes that aren't collapsing, and a closet that lets you see your options fast. Care is style infrastructure. Repair is confidence. Organization is time saved every single morning. This chapter gives you a practical maintenance system you can run without turning clothing care into a second job, laundry rules that prevent damage, quick repairs that keep pieces in rotation, and closet setup that makes outfits obvious. Takeaway: a great wardrobe isn't just chosen, it's maintained. Forward transition: start with the basic system: clean, restore, store. The care triangle: clean, restore, store. Think of wardrobe upkeep as 3 repeatable jobs. Clean. Cleaning is not just about removing dirt. It is about preventing damage. Most clothing wear comes from 3 things: heat, friction, and overwashing. If you reduce those, your clothes keep their color, shape, and surface longer. Restore. Restoration is what makes pieces look new enough again. Depil sweaters. Steam wrinkled shirts. Reshape collars. Replace missing buttons. Clean shoe soles. Condition leather when it looks dry. These tiny actions keep basics from looking tired. Store. Storage should protect your clothes and make them visible. A beautiful closet that hides half your wardrobe is not working. Your system should help you see what you own, reach what you wear, and protect fabrics that stretch, wrinkle, crush, or snag. Takeaway: clean prevents damage, restore brings pieces back, and store keeps them ready. Forward transition: the biggest damage point for most wardrobes is laundry, so build your routine there first. Laundry that doesn't kill your clothes. You do not need an elaborate laundry personality. You need a sorting method that protects clothes from heat, friction, and neglect. Sort into 4 lanes. Use these categories instead of tossing everything together. 1. Cold plus gentle: knits, darks, blouses, anything you want to last. 2. Cold plus normal: tees, socks, underwear, casual cotton, everyday basics. 3. Warm only when needed: towels, sheets, whites that need a true reset. 4. Hand wash or mesh bag: bras, lace, tights, sheer layers, fine knits, anything strappy or delicate. When in doubt, choose cold water and a gentler cycle. It is usually safer. Reduce friction. Friction is the hidden destroyer. It causes fading, pilling, pulled threads, and stretched straps. Before washing. Zip zippers. Button buttons. Hook bra closures. Turn dark denim, black pieces, knits, and graphic tees inside out. Put bras, tights, rib tanks, and delicate tops in mesh bags. Also, do not overload the machine. Clothes need space to move cleanly. A packed washer creates more rubbing and worse cleaning. Use less detergent. More detergent does not mean cleaner. It often means residue, which makes fabrics feel stiff, dull, or strangely never fresh. Use the smallest effective amount for your machine and load size. Takeaway: sort by what can handle heat and friction, not by habit. Forward transition: after washing, protect the shape. Drying is where fit often gets lost. Drying and reshaping: fit insurance. If you only change one care habit, change this: use less heat. High heat can shrink cotton, weaken elastic, fade darks, warp seams, and make knits lose their original feel. The dryer is convenient, but it should not be the default for everything you love. Use 3 drying lanes. Lay flat to dry: sweaters, ribbed knits, bras, stretchy tops, anything that may grow or warp on a hanger. Hang dry: blouses, dresses, trousers, athletic wear, denim, most pieces you want to preserve. Low heat or air fluff: tees, hoodies, pajamas, and basics you are willing to replace sooner. Reshape while damp. This is the cheat code. While clothes are still damp, smooth collars, button plackets, hems, and seams. For knitwear, gently square the shoulders and body so the piece dries in the right shape. Your goal is not perfection. It is avoiding the subtle warped look that makes clothes feel cheaper than they are. Takeaway: heat is optional, reshaping is not. Forward transition: once clothes keep their shape, keep their surface sharp with a small restore kit. The 5-minute restore kit. You do not need a sewing studio or a luxury laundry room. A small, visible kit can save dozens of outfits. Steamer or iron. A steamer is fast and forgiving. It refreshes wrinkled shirts, dresses, trousers, blazers, and satin pieces. It can also help remove light odors between washes. An iron is better for crisp cotton shirts, pleats, and sharp creases. Use whichever one you will actually use. Fabric shaver and lint roller. A fabric shaver can make pilled sweaters, ribbed tops, lounge sets, and knit dresses look dramatically better. Use a light hand and test first. A lint roller is essential for black pants, wool coats, pet hair, and last-minute outfit cleanup. Stain kit. Keep stain remover where you will use it: laundry area, bathroom cabinet, or under the sink. Basic stain rules. Act fast. Blot, don't rub. Use cold water first unless you know the stain is oil-based. Do not put stained clothing in the dryer. Heat can set the stain permanently. Sweater brush or delicate comb. This is useful for wool coats, cashmere, structured knits, and pieces that get fuzzy instead of truly pilled. Brushing keeps the surface smoother. Mini sewing kit. Keep needle, neutral thread, small scissors, safety pins, and spare buttons together. This turns "I can't wear this" into fixed in 10 minutes. Takeaway: restoration tools keep favorites looking current longer than impulse shopping does. Forward transition: the next level is simple repair, not perfection, just getting pieces back into rotation. Simple repairs that save your best pieces. The goal is not couture-level craftsmanship. The goal is wearable again. Buttons and snaps. Loose button? Sew it before it disappears. Missing button? Check the inside tag or side seam. Many pieces come with extras. Tiny seam splits. If you see a seam pulling at the side, underarm, pocket, or back vent, stop wearing it one more time. A small fix can become a full rip quickly. Emergency hems. Hem tape can save pants, skirts, or dresses before an event or trip. Treat it as temporary, not a replacement for a real hem on pieces you wear constantly. Support layers. Stretched bra straps, warped cups, worn-out shapewear, and slipping camisoles affect how everything sits on top. Refreshing base layers can make your shirts, dresses, and knits look better instantly. Knit snags. Do not cut a snag. Pull it gently to the inside with a needle or pin so the outside surface looks smooth again. Takeaway: repair what blocks were first: closures, seams, hems, and support layers. Forward transition: now finish the frame of the outfit: shoes and bags. Shoe and bag care: the outfit finish line. A clean outfit with beat-up shoes reads unfinished. Shoe and bag care is not about being precious, it is about keeping the whole look intentional. Shoe rotation. Try not to wear the same pair hard 2 days in a row. Shoes need time to dry out and rebound, especially sneakers, boots, loafers, and flats. Quick care by shoe type. Sneakers: wipe midsoles, spot clean uppers, air out insoles. Leather shoes and boots: wipe after wear, condition when dry looking, store with shape support if they slump. Suede: brush only when dry, avoid soaking, use protective spray if worn often. Heels: replace heel tips before the metal post shows. It is one of the cheapest polish upgrades. Bag care. Do not store structured bags empty and collapsed. Light stuffing helps them keep shape. Wipe handles regularly because they collect hand oils, lotion, sunscreen, and makeup. Use a small pouch inside for pens, lip gloss, keys, and anything that could leak or scratch. Takeaway: clean shoes and structured bags make repeated outfits look intentional, not tired. Forward transition: with pieces cared for, your closet needs to show them to you clearly. Closet systems for visibility. A good closet is not the prettiest closet. It is the one that helps you get dressed. Store by category, then color. Category comes first because it matches how you think when building outfits. Use a simple order. Outerwear. Blazers and jackets. Tops. Knits. Pants and jeans. Skirts. Dresses and jumpsuits. Occasion pieces. Within each category, sort light to dark or by your most used color families. Put your real life at eye level. Your weekly clothes should be the easiest to reach. If you wear jeans, tees, blazers, trousers, sneakers, or work bags constantly, they should not be buried behind fantasy event pieces. Use one-touch folding. If folding is too complicated, you will not maintain it. Use simple stacks or file folds for tees, workout sets, denim, lounge pieces, and pajamas. The point is visibility, not perfection. Create a landing zone. Every closet needs 3 controlled spots. Worn but not dirty items. Tomorrow's outfit. Needs repair items. A hook, small basket, or clear shelf can prevent the chair pile from taking over your room.